करने का, जय जय करने का, ऐसा संस्कार देती है। सो वहाँ से शुरू तो हो जाता है। knowingly or unknowingly, bhakti, worshipping starts from very childhood. ये अपने हिंदू की संस्कृति बहुत बढ़िया है। यहाँ कोई वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में इतना नहीं है धर्म का संस्कार देने का। यहाँ इतना नहीं होगा कि चलो क्राइस्ट को छोटा हो तो भी नमस्कार करो, ऐसा इतना नहीं आता है। अपना तो रोज सुबह शाम वो अपने इतना छोटा किड को वैसे नमस्कार करने को सिखाएगी मदर। बहुत बहुत ही ऊंचा गिरता है। और जैसे जैसे ग्रोन अप होते हैं वैसे वैसे इसका अंडरस्टैंडिंग बढ़ते जाता है। आफ्टर मेच्योरिटी, आफ्टर सर्टन या यंग एज पास होने के बाद बहुत ही डीप जाने का आदमी को सोचता है कि व्हाट इज द रियल थिंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड। सी एवरीबडी इज फॉर हैप्पीनेस, सबको हैप्पीनेस चाहिए, सबको सुख चाहिए, किसी को दुख नहीं पसंद है। तो राइट फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग सुख के लिए तलाश में पड़ता है। तो सच्चा सुख, साचू सुख क्या છે શેમાં છે? સાચા સુખની શોધમાં બધા ભટકે છે। એ ખરેખર સાચું સુખ શેમાં મળશે? એટલે જેમ જેમ મોટો થતો જાય છે એમ જેમ પોતાના સુખની વ્યાખ્યા બદલતી જાય છે। શેમાંથી સુખ મળશે? તો દરેક ઓબ્જેક્ટ બદલતો જાય છે, કારણ કે જે ઓબ્જેક્ટમાંથી સુખ લેવા જાય છે એ ઓબ્જેક્ટ ઇટસેલ્ફ ઇઝ ટેમ્પરરી। સો જે સુખ એનામાંથી મળે that happiness is temporary. And as soon as that object gets destroyed or goes away, immediately he finds unhappiness, and again he has to search another object to get happiness. So there is no end of search of happiness. All the time humans are after to achieve the happiness, and that is the biggest thing in the life. Everyone is in search of happiness. But the problem is that nobody knows what is the real happiness. What is the definition of real happiness? The happiness which comes but never ends. Once it comes, it will never end. That is real happiness. And the happiness which comes and goes, that is worldly happiness. That happiness is not real happiness. And everyone wants the happiness which is permanent. And that permanent happiness one can get from the thing which is permanent. And therefore that one has to find out which is the permanent thing in this world. If you find that thing, the permanent thing in this world, then the happiness will definitely permanent to you, and then there is no search of happiness. So one has to find out from where one can get the permanent happiness, and which is the thing in this universe which is permanent. That is a very important thing, क्योंकि रिलीजन जो हम सब करते हैं तो वो क्या है? रिलीजन मीन्स व्हाट? हर कोई कहता है कि वैष्णव धर्म है, कोई कहता है शिव धर्म है, कोई कहता है जैन धर्म है, कोई कहता है क्रिश्चियन धर्म है, कोई कहता है इस्लाम धर्म है। ये सब धर्म है, सब फॉलो भी करते हैं, लेकिन ये धर्म के जो मूल ओरिजिनल आदि पुरुष से कहते हैं यहाँ सब है। राम है, कृष्ण है, महावीर है। These are मूल पुरुष है, आदि पुरुष है, जिसको हम भगवान करके उनको वर्शिप करते हैं। हम उनको वर्शिप करते हैं, लेकिन उनके किस फॉर्म में वर्शिप करते हैं? इन विच फॉर्म में वर्शिप? There are two forms. One is real form and this one is relative form. This relative thing is not real. कृष्ण का रियल स्वरूप नहीं है, रामचंद्र जी का भी रियल स्वरूप नहीं है, महावीर का भी रियल स्वरूप नहीं है। सी जब कृष्ण भगवान खुद थे तो गीता में उन्होंने अर्जुन को क्या कहा? When he was 1-to-1 with अर्जुन, उन्होंने पहले ही स्टार्टिंग में बताया कि अर्जुन तू मुझे जिस तरह से पहचान रहा है राइट नाउ, मुझे ऐसे कृष्ण पहचानता है तू, दरअसल में मैं वो नहीं हूँ। आई एम नॉट दिस कृष्ण जो तू मुझे देख रहा है और पहचान रहा है, मैं नहीं हूँ। सी जब आमने सामने थे तो भी उन्हें कहा कि मैं ये नहीं हूँ, तो आज हम किसको कृष्ण समझते हैं? That's a big question. If you follow Krishna, same thing with महावीर। महावीर ने भी यही बताया, सेम थिंग महावीर भगवान ने भी यही बताया उनके और फॉलोअर्स को कि आप जो हम इस पे देख रहे हैं हम ये नहीं है। सिर्फ ये बेसिक बात है कि जो हम जिसको वर्शिप करते हैं उसके बारे में पूरा जानना चाहिए। उसके बारे में अगर पूरा नहीं जानेंगे तो उसकी पूरी वर्शिप नहीं होगा, उसका पूरा अचीवमेंट भी नहीं होगा। सी दैट इज वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग। तो और आगे कृष्ण ने क्या बताया अर्जुन को कि अर्जुन तू जो मानता है कि मैं अर्जुन हूँ वो भी तू नहीं है, यू आर नॉट अर्जुन। तो फिर व्हाट इज द फैक्ट? तो ये कहते हैं कि तुम आत्मा है और मैं भी आत्मा हूँ। अनंत अवतार से अनंत देह तूने धारण किए और मैंने भी अनंत देह धारण किए। ऐसा नहीं कहते कि मैं गॉड हूँ, ऊपर रहता हूँ, वहाँ से नीचे आया हूँ और सबका गवर्न करता हूँ, और नहीं, अपने को भी उसके शरीक है आत्मा बताते हैं। मैं भी आत्मा हो, तुम भी आत्मा है, सबके अंदर वही आत्मा है, उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं है, उसमें कोई फर्क नहीं है, नो चेंज, नो एनी डिफरेंस। See, that is the very important thing regarding the God. So, real God कौन है? तो that is God is in every creature, whether visible or invisible, और every सब जीव मात्र के अंदर है, और वही रियल भगवान है, और कोई दूसरा भगवान नहीं, आपके अंदर ही है। और इससे आगे अगर समझना है तो हम खुद ही है, हमारे से हम में और उसमें कोई सेपरेशन नहीं है, नो सेपरेशन बिटवीन our own आत्मा and our self। एक ही है, भेद स्वरूप। जब तक ऐसा है कि भगवान और हम दो अलग हैं, तब तक दुआलिटी है, द्वंद्व है। और जब आपको रियलाइज होता है कि नहीं, मेरे अंदर है जो है वो ही मैं हूँ और यही सब है, इससे अलग कोई चीज़ नहीं है वर्ल्ड में, दैट इज द फाइनल थिंग, दैट इज द लास्ट थिंग टू बी अचीव्ड, दैट इज द रियल स्पिरिचुअल थिंग टू बी अचीव्ड। श्री कृष्ण भगवान ने अर्जुन को यही अचीव कराया था, महावीर भगवान ने गौतम स्वामी को भी यही अचीव कराया था, वशिष्ठ मुनि ने रामचंद्र जी को भी यही अचीव कराया था। तो हम जो करते आ रहे हैं और ये पुरुष जो कहते थे, उसमें कहाँ फर्क है? हम जो समझते हैं राम को, कृष्ण को, महावीर को, उनका जीवन चरित्र को, फ्रॉम बर्थ टू डेथ, उनके कर्म क्या क्या उन्होंने किए, उनका क्या क्या हुआ, वो सब अपन लाइफ उनका अपने को मालूम है, लेकिन उन्होंने क्या अचीव किया था, व्हाट वाज इनसाइड दिस पीपल, उसके बारे में कभी नहीं सोचते। You never think about the thing which they have achieved in their life. And that is very important. If you want to go ahead, if you want some progress in your spiritual life, then you should think much more. And you should think deeply. The deep understanding which they have, the same understanding we should achieve. अब basic understanding में first part है कि जिनको मानते हैं कि ये कृष्ण है, ये राम है, ये महावीर है, that is the relative form, not real one. Real one तो वही भी आत्मा स्वरूप है, वही परमात्मा, वही that is the end, और वही आपके अंदर, सबके अंदर भी वही है, आप खुद वही स्वरूप से हैं। You understand what I am saying? समझता है? आपको समझता है जैन भाई?
Yes, yes.
This very important thing. श्री महावीर भगवान ने भी यही बात ठोक ठोक के बताया था, कृष्ण भगवान ने भी यही बात ठोक ठोक के बताया था। ऐसी कोई सुप्रीम अथॉरिटी नहीं है कि जो अपने को गवर्न करे। जो भी है, जो ऐसी सुप्रीम अथॉरिटी रहती थी ऊपर या अबव और एनीवेयर एल्स, तो बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन आता था कि वो अगर ऐसा गवर्न करता है होल वर्ल्ड को, तो व्हाई ही इज गवर्निंग दिस वर्ल्ड लाइक दिस टुडे। इतना बड़ा रिसेशन क्यों लाया उसने ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड, ये वॉर सब क्यों किया, वो सब उसको अकाउंट उसके पास जाता है। જે કરે એને ભોગવવાનું હોય, કેવળ રહે છે ને ધ પ્રિન્સિપલ ઓફ લો ઓફ કર્મસ થિયરી શું છે કે જે કરે એને ભોગવવાનું હોય, જો ભગવાન કરતો હોય ચલાવતો હોય તો બધું એના માથે જાય છે। તો પછી આપણા પાસે કર્મની થિયરી જેવી વસ્તુ જ નથી, આખી કર્મની થિયરી ઉડી જાય છે। બહુ ડીપ સમજવાની વસ્તુ છે, કારણ કે આપણે ડુઅરશિપ કોણ કરે છે એના માટે સમજતા જ નથી। એક તો પહેલું કે હું કોણ છું એ પણ આપણે સમજતા નથી અત્યાર સુધી। શું નામ આપનું ભાઈ? આપનું નામ શું? વોટ ઇઝ?
Shankar.
શંકર. Can you understand Gujarati?
No, can I understand Hindi or English?
Okay, then you talk in Hindi or English. Say Shankar is your name, no? His name. But you are you Shankar? Do you find any difference between my name is Shankar and I am Shankar? Any contradiction? Yeah, Shankar is your name, you are not Shankar. See, there is name given to some shop. See, Krishna Sari Center. That sign and the owner. These are two separate things, no? Sign is not the owner and owner is not the sign, right? Same way, Shankar is nothing but a sign given to identify your body. Understand? You are the owner of this body, you are not the name, you are not the sign. There are two separate things. My name is Shankar, not I am Shankar. There are I and my, these are two different things, total separate. So find out what is that I, what things come in I, and which are the things which come in my. In other words, separate I and my. See, for name, we are making two separate compartments, I and my. So you say my name, right? Not I am name. So name goes in my. Then, so about your body, what do you say? My body or I am body? To your body, what do you say? My body or I am body? That's right, my body, not I am body. That is body goes in my, not in I. I is yourself, right? My is your, that is nothing but your belongings. See, body is your belonging. You understand? See, as soon as you leave this body, people are going to bury or burn. Right? In our Hinduism, we burn. And if you are in this body, you won't allow to burn. Right? So that means important thing is what? Not the body, but your presence in the body. See, that is very important. And in reality, you are that. The thing which goes away from this body, the things which leaves this body is real thing, and that is yourself, not the body. So my body is not you, but it is totally separate from yourself. Understand? Same way then about mind. What do you say to your mind? My mind or I am mind? Right? Mind means thoughts. Thoughts which come, they are totally separate from yourself, because there are so many types of thoughts. Thousands of thoughts come from morning to morning, right? Out of them, so many thoughts you like or you may not like. Some thoughts may they are disturbing you and not allowing you to sleep also. If the thoughts, you yourself is thought, then thought cannot disturb you. Nobody, your thing cannot make you happy. The thing is not yours. It's someone else's. It can make you happy or unhappy. But your own thing cannot do any unhappiness or pain or any trouble to you. Understand? That means it is not your. पराया है, अपना खुद का नहीं है. अपना खुद की जो चीज़ है वो कभी हमको खुद को दुख नहीं देगी. जो पराई है वही देगी. ये आपके कितने भी थॉट्स आते हैं ना, वो पराए हैं, आपके खुद के नहीं है. कई थॉट्स आपको चिंता में डाल देते हैं, तो ये अपने अच्छा भी लगता है. That means these are not your belongings. So my mind also goes in mind, not in I. Same way then speech, my speech, or I am speech, my egoism, my intellect. See, all these things go in my compartment, not in I compartment. My house, you won't say that I am house, right? My wife, can you say that I am wife? No. So wife is also goes. She also goes in your mind, not in I. You understand? My case, my money. सिर्फ पैसा कितना भी प्यारा है तो भी वो माय में जाता है, आई में नहीं आता है, राइट? और जो चीज़ माय में जाती है वो सब यहाँ रहती है. इट कैन नॉट कम अलॉन्ग विथ योर आई. Things are here only. मनी कितना भी प्यारा है लेकिन साथ में ले जा सकता है? नहीं ना. अगर ले जा सकता था ना तो अपने इंडियंस इतने होशियार हैं, सब $10 मिलियन का लैप करके सब गसड़ी बांध के साथ में ले जाता था और उसके लड़के को बोलता था ये पूरा कर. नहीं, it's not possible. So the things which come in mind, they remain here. They are all temporary. They are all relative. And I is real one, permanent. And you yourself is that I. And you have to realize that who am I? It is very important. So we know everything about mind, but we don't know anything about our own self or I. So that's a very great blunder. So we are getting all knowledge regarding mind, but we have never achieved knowledge about I. And since infinite life we are wanting, but we have not achieved. We have not realized who am I. That's why whichever body you get, you feel that I am this body. If you go in goat, or if you go I am goat, you go in monkey, you say I am monkey. If you go in man, you say I am man. See, that's why you get all the time, in all life, newborn body. There is no end of it. Once you realize, oh, I am not Shankar, I am not this body, I am not mine, but I am self, myself is total separate, and that I is nothing but your pure soul, Shuddha Atma. That is only Paramatma. So I am that, and that demarcation remains with you for all the time, and you think that I am this part, not that. I am not my part, but I am this I part. Then there is no new body to you. Next life, because we are separated from all these wrong beliefs. See, I am Shankar is first wrong belief. You are not Shankar, it is your name, but you still, and I am Shankar, that is your first wrong belief. Then I am husband of so and so, second wrong belief. I am father of so and so, and brother. This is. See, if you remain, you act as a drama in your life. That is okay. But you start believing that I am Shankar, I am Father, that is wrong. If you act as a dramatic action, no problem. In drama, suppose someone is acting as a king and killing so many people, no karma will be with him. No new karmas, right? And जब वो एक्ट करता है ना ड्रामा का, किंग का रोल एक्ट करता है और ड्रामा पूरा होने के बाद हम उससे पूछे वाह वो तू तो बहुत अच्छा किंग, बहुत अच्छा शूरवीर है, बहुत किंग वो मार डाला, तो क्या कहेगा? कैसा किंग और कैसी बात? मैं तो लक्ष्मी चंद तरगाला घर पे जाके मेरी खिचड़ी खाने के लिए भूल जाएगा क्या? एक्ट करते करते उसके अंदर अंडरस्टैंडिंग में रहता है कि आई एम नॉट रियल किंग। और ड्रामा पूरा होने के बाद वो क्वीन को नहीं बोलेगा चल मेरे घर, दिस इज क्वीन ऑफ ड्रामा, नॉट रियल। इसी तरह से आप अपनी लाइफ में सब एक्ट करो एज ए हस्बैंड, बट नॉट एज रियलिटी में वो न वाइफ है, न हस्बैंड है, न फादर है, न सन है। रियलिटी में सभी प्योर सेल्फ आत्मा है। और वो रियलाइज करने के बाद दिस थिंग आपको ऑटोमेटिक अवेयरनेस ये रहती है, once you realize your own आत्मा। and all ज्ञानीज, all जो होंगे हैं ना, इन्होंने यही बात लोग बताई है। कृष्ण भगवान ने भी यही बात बताई है अर्जुन को, महावीर भगवान ने भी यही बताई है, और वशिष्ठ मुनि ने रामचंद्र जी को यही बात बताई। कब? सीता को जीत के अयोध्या वापस आने के बाद, उसके पहले उनको नहीं मालूम था। वशिष्ठ से हम रामायण पढ़ते हैं, राम का क्या हुआ, सीता का क्या हुआ, हनुमान ने क्या क्या किया, लंका जलाई, ये वो सब स्टोरी बात वो सब पढ़ते हैं, सुनते भी है कथा में। लेकिन रामचंद्र जी ने वशिष्ठ मुनि के पास से क्या ज्ञान प्राप्त किया, इन अदर वर्ड्स योग वशिष्ठ करके बुक है, इसमें प्योर यही आई एंड माई का सेपरेशन का ही वार्तालाप है, क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर and explanation by Vasishtha. But this Vasishtha was Jnani and he had given all of this knowledge to Ram, and people avoid this thing to read because this is deep philosophy, deep understanding which Ram achieved from Vasishtha. Same thing on Gita तो बहुत सारे पढ़ते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी कहाँ वो कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं। So many people, or most of the people, they get confused. गीता पूरा पढ़ते, लेकिन कृष्ण किसको मानते हैं? उसके रिलेटिव कोई कृष्ण, नॉट वर्शिपिंग रिलेटिव कृष्ण की होती है, नॉट रियल कृष्ण की, गीता पढ़ने के बाद भी। सो उसका पूरा बेनिफिट नहीं मिलता। सी रिलेटिव वर्शिपिंग का आपको रिजल्ट मिलेगा, रिलेटिव में आपको भौतिक सुख सगरे मिलते हैं, थोड़ी शांति भी मिलेगी, बट दैट इज नॉट टेम्पररी। एंड वंस यू स्टार्ट वर्शिपिंग रियल थिंग, रियल कृष्णा, दैट इज नथिंग बट प्योर सोल। सी रिलेटिव कृष्णा, उसको एंड में ना पारनी ने बाण लगाया, मालूम, हंटर ने बाण लगाया और उसका बॉडी भी तो एंड हो गया। माई पार्ट एंडेड देयर। सेम वे रामचंद्र जी भी मोक्ष में गए, उसका माई पार्ट भी 100 है। उस पंचमहाभूत, हर एक का पंचमहाभूत नहीं विलीन होता है, बिकॉज बॉडी खुद ही बोलते थे टेम्पररी विनाशी है। तो उनको क्या नहीं मालूम था कि हमारी बॉडी भी, तो आज हम जिसको कृष्ण कहते हैं वो तो उसके वो थे तभी वो नहीं बोलते थे, उनका बॉडी नहीं बोल गया। दैट ऑल रिलेटिव, माई पार्ट एंडेड, आई पार्ट है, माई पार्ट है, और वो पार्ट आपका भी वही पार्ट है। आई यू आर दैट, यू आर नॉट सेपरेट फ्रॉम दैट। This is the basic thing these people have. These people have given to their various disciples. Now try to realize that thing. When you worship, you try to understand the two parts of this people. See, हम भी नमस्कार किया कि उनको सबको ये bow down. लेकिन this separation, उनका to I and my separate, और निर्गुण का भी I and my separate. निर्गुण का माय, निर्गुण ने उनके माय को माय का हुआ और आय ने आय का किया। नमस्कार। Same thing you should also keep in your mind and try to realize all these things. You can find out there and you can finally beautiful books or so real Jnana is okay. There is so many confusion about so many books. So when you read Gita, you may get so much confusion because it's very difficult to find out the real thing which these people have given to. See, इन्होंने सब गीता में तो सब बताया है। अर्जुन को उसके वो गीता का उद्देश्य उसको अवेयरनेस भी हो गया है, कृष्ण उसका भी आत्मा जागृत हो गया, उसकी भी दृष्टि खिल गई। लेकिन आज लाख गीता पढ़ने से वो दृष्टि नहीं खिलती है, नहीं है। क्योंकि जो पॉइंट टू पॉइंट कहता है, वन टू वन कहते थे, जो कहना मान चाहते थे, वो अभी दूसरे को इसमें से मिलना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है। तो जब कभी ऐसे रियल ज्ञानी होते हैं ना, उनको ये पूरा खुला होता है, तब वो अपने पॉइंट आउट करते हैं कि वो दिस इज द रियलिटी विच इज इन गीता और एनी ऑफ दिस स्क्रिप्चर। जैसे जब गीता अर्जुन को कहते थे ना कृष्ण द्वारा, दैट टाइम साइमल्टेनियसली सेम टाइम, हाँ, साइमल्टेनियसली audio video was going on between Sanjay and Dhritarashtra. संजय, you know ना, वो संजय धृतराष्ट्र को एट ए टाइम पता था, खुद वीडियो देख के आता था और धृतराष्ट्र को ऑडियो देख सुनाता था। Still not a single bit of Lord Krishna's knowledge was entering Sanjay or Dhritarashtra. Understand? कितना हमें अभी 5,000 साल के बाद कौन कितना समझ सकता है, कौन कितना उसमें से निकाल सकता है, वो दृष्टि खोलना बोले तो बहुत अलग बात है। वो अर्जुन को खोलने के कृष्ण को बहुत तकलीफ पड़ गई, लेकिन खुल गई दृष्टि। आई माइंड बी सेपरेट है, दीज आर टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स। वो उसको समझाने को बहुत, और वो जब उसका खुला तब उसके सबके अंदर फिर जब आपको अपना आय का रियलाइज होता है, जो आत्मा का रियलाइज होता है, फिर दूसरों का इजी पड़ता है। अपना ख्याल में आए तो दूसरे के भी अंदर है और देखने का ख्याल में आता है। हमको हमारा ही ख्याल में नहीं आया तो दूसरे का कहाँ से आना। अभी आपको मैं शंकर हूँ वैसा ही रहता है, मैं आत्मा हूँ ऐसा कितनी बार दिन में ख्याल में आता है, कभी आता है। तो वो जब रियलाइज होता है ना, तो 24 आवर्स रहता है, सेकंड भी नहीं जाता है। Can you believe it? Once the real thing का realization once हुआ, that is permanent, and it is effortless of its own, automatic होता है। जहाँ effort करने का है, that is all relative thing. Real में effort नहीं होता है। Once you get that, and that is the most important thing. हाँ, वहाँ आपको ज्ञानी, रियल ज्ञानी मिलना चाहिए। One who has realized person will get, so there is nothing to do. I have met such a Jnani. This is his picture. Yes. I met in 1968. That time I was very young, and now I didn't have any previous background about any spiritual or religious thing. I was not at all believing in anything. But I heard about it, and I was so much curious. What is this? What is Atma? I heard first time about Atma. I was curious, what is this thing? I must know that. And I met him, and he gave the knowledge of Atma. And that knowledge he gave, that too within 2 hours. Nothing, no, I did nothing. Just I received the knowledge he gave me. And that's it. And after that, this separation of I and mine, that remained throughout 24 hours. And then not a single thing in this world can touch. The same thing, so many people, not I was not the only person to receive this knowledge from, so thousands of people achieved. Still so many people, how he has passed away. But still we are doing the same knowledge to the people, and they are experiencing the same thing. That is a very important thing. See, the final thing which one should achieve is nothing but his own realization of your own self. Any question if you can have? This is just question, answer, any question anybody can ask. So that, see, your question is more important rather than say, giving such a lecture or anything. हाँ, कहीं पूछो जरा, पूछो है तो प्रश्न। લેક્ચરો એટલે શું? લે કચરો. એટલે પ્રશ્નોત્તરી વધારે તેમાં આપણો કચરો નીકળી જાય અને લેક્ચરોમાં અમારો કચરો તમારો નાખીએ. એના જેવું છે. એટલે દાદા ક્યારે લેક્ચર નતા આપતા. ખાલી પ્રશ્નોત્તરી વાર્તાલાપ આવું છે. વન ટુ વન. કોઈ પ્રશ્ન પૂછે તો પૂછ્યો. હા વધારે સારું રહેશે. તમારા પ્રશ્નો હશે, કઈ બી પ્રશ્ન પૂછાય. એ કશું એની ક્વેશ્ચન બધું પૂછાય. હસબન્ડ ઉપર જતા શું કરવું, આપણે હસબન્ડ ઉપર જતા શું કરવું, બધું પૂછાય. છોકરા ઉપર જતા શું કરવું, બધું પૂછાય. કારણ કે આ આપણું ડે ટુ ડે લાઈફનું ઇમ્પ્રુવમેન્ટ થતું હોય ત્યારે આપણે આ અધ્યાત્મ એન્ડ અવર ડે ટુ લાઈફ એ બંને both should go hand in hand. If you are improving your spiritualism, that means it must could impact in your day-to-day life also. Life peaceful. See, with everyone we can adjust nicely, because spiritual uplift comes when your ego goes down. And as your ego goes down, the adjustment with anybody is very easy then. अपना थर्मोमीटर क्या है स्पिरिचुअल अपील का, कितना ईगो कितना अपना लाभ हो गया. इतना ईगो कम उतना आपका स्पिरिचुअल प्रोग्रेस अप होता है. और सी वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट डे टू डे लाइफ. यहाँ तो अपने यहाँ ये कंट्री में तो सिर्फ हस्बैंड वाइफ और 1 or 2 kids, वही इतनी अपनी दुनिया. यहाँ નથી સાસુ કે નથી સસરા કે નથી દેરાણી કે જેઠાણી, બધું કશું નથી. આટલી જ લાઈફ. તાપર લઠ્ઠાબાજી આટલામાં જ થાય પાછા. કારણ કે સ્મોલ વર્લ્ડ. બધી ટીચાય ક્યાં પ્રકૃતિ તો આટલામાં. એટલે ત્યાં આપણે વધારે જાગૃત રહેવાનું. કારણ કે એ દાદા તો બહુ સરસ કહેતા હતા કે હસબન્ડ અને વાઈફ એમાં સારામાં સારું એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ હોવું જોઈએ તો આપણી લાઈફ સુખી થાય, આપણી બી થાય ને આપણા બીજાને બી થાય. એટલે બહુ સરસ વાત બધાની પાસે. ઉનકા વ્યવહાર જ્ઞાન બી સ્નાયુ બીજું વ્યવહાર જ્ઞાન એટલે એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ હસબન્ડ વાઈફમાં કેવી રીતના કરવું. કારણ કે શિવ દાદાનું બહુ સરસ ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન હતું કે દાદા શું કહેતા કે અમારી લાઈફમાં અમે ઓબ્ઝર્વેશનમાંથી તારણ કરી છે કે જે આપણા ઇન્ડિયન્સને હસબન્ડ થતાં પ્રોપર નથી આવડતું. એટલે કે ધણી થઈ જશે. અને સારામાં સારું કોને આવડે તો કે મુસલમાનો બહુ સરસ ધણી થતા હોય. 4 બહેરો રાખે ને તો એકલા એડજસ્ટ થાય. અને આપણે એક બહેરાઓને નહીં રાખતા આવડતું. એમનું ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન હતું. કોન્ટ્રાક્ટર હતા, જીટી કોન્ટ્રાક્ટર હતા, બિલ્ડર હતા. તેમના મુસલમાન એમને ત્યાં કામ કરનારા બહુ હતા. એક સુપરવાઇઝર હતો તે જ્યારે દાદાને જોયું કે મારે ઘેર આવો પધારો, મારી ઝૂંપડીમાં આવો એમ કે. તો બધાને એમ થાય કે દાદાને જઈએ છીએ પછી કોઈ બહુ મને એટલે ગયા એને. तो जैसे उसके घर गए तो उसका एक छोटी सी खोली थी, ब्यूटीफुल नीट एंड क्लीन. मुस्लिम था उनका वर्कर. तो नीट है. और उसके वाइफ 2 जने थे, हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ. तो लगा कि वो एटमॉस्फेयर बहुत अच्छा है, ब्यूटीफुल एटमॉस्फेयर है. फिर उन्होंने इंक्वायरी की, पूछा उसने वो मुस्लिम हस्बैंड को कि तुम्हारे दोनों के बीच में कभी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होता है, कि झगड़ा वगड़ा होता है क्या, बीवी के साथ कभी झगड़ा होता है? तो बोलते नहीं साहब, कभी नहीं, मैं बीवी के साथ कभी झगड़ा नहीं करता। तो बोले ऐसा कैसा हो, कभी तो होता होगा ना? तो कहने लगे नहीं, मैं नहीं करता। क्यों? देखो साहब, मेरी एक ही छोटी सी खोली है, अगर मैं वाइफ के साथ झगड़ा करूँ तो मुझे बाहर सोना पड़ेगा इसलिए मैं कभी झगड़ा नहीं करता। I never fight. It's a good thing, अच्छा है। तो नहीं, कभी तो होता होगा ना, sometimes, once in a while, कभी नहीं, कभी नहीं करता। और कि कभी तो तुझे भी तो होता होगा ना झगड़ा करने का। तो नहीं साहब, नहीं मैं नहीं करता। मुझे बहुत अगर खुजली आई झगड़ा करेगी तो बाहर जाके करता हूँ, घर में नहीं करता हूँ। और अपने इंडियन हस्बैंड बाहर एकदम शान है, एकदम अप टू डेट, गुड जेंटलमैन, और घर में ही सब ऐसा होता है। बाहर सब बोलेंगे अरे वाह, बहुत अच्छा मैन है, इज वेरी जेंटलमैन है। वाइफ को पूछो क्या है, दोनों अभी इसकी बात मत करो क्योंकि वहाँ प्रकृति ये होती है, एक्सपांड होती है, और बाहर है तो संकुच होती है। उसको लगता है ना कि बीवी कहाँ जाकर मेरी आबरू निकालने वाली है, इसलिए घर में नो प्रॉब्लम। बाहर जाते हैं तो उसको लगता है अरे मेरे लिए सब बुरा सोचेंगे, इसलिए अच्छा जेंटलमैन रहता है। सो इसलिए नहीं बोला नहीं मैं कभी झगड़ा करूँ तो बाहर जाके करता हूँ, घर में नहीं करता हूँ। फिर क्या, कभी तो वाइफ तेरी रूठ गई तो नहीं, मैं मना लेता हूँ। मैं मरियम को बोलता हूँ मरियम मेरी हालत मैं जानूँ, तू क्या जाने, ऐसा करके उसको मना लेता हूँ। अच्छा आता है मनाने का भी। फिर दादाजी ने बोल अरे कोई लाइफ में कभी तो भी झगड़ा ऐसा बीबी ने मचा दिया तो क्या करता, तो भी तू तो गर्म कभी तो हो जाता होगा ना। नहीं साहब, बहुत अगले होंगे ना तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, उसको झूले में बिठा के उसको झुलाता हूँ, खुश कर देता हूँ। आता है उसका, आता है अपने एज को बहुत जो ही लोग थे तो आपने इसके झुलाया बिगाड़ मेरा એટલે આવી ટેકનિક છે, લોકોને આવડત છે ને, this is some technique they are having. This is some general understand, but ऐसे एक्सेप्शन तो सभी जगह रहते हैं। This is all general observation. दादाजी ने बहुत अच्छा बताया था कि यू शुड कीप टू डिपार्टमेंट्स, होम डिपार्टमेंट एंड फॉरेन डिपार्टमेंट। फॉरेन डिपार्टमेंट मैंने हैंडल करना, होम डिपार्टमेंट वाइफ ने हैंडल करना। यहाँ तो क्या होम एंड फॉरेन दोनों मिक्सचर हो गया, दोनों एक दूसरे में हो गए ना। किचन में हस्बैंड को भी जाना पड़ता है, वाइफ को वर्क भी जाना पड़ता है, यानी मिक्सचर हो गया है, और जाना होता है। वो कहते मैं भी कमाती हूँ तो मैं भी कमाता हूँ, यानी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होते हैं ज़्यादा। लेकिन अंडरस्टैंडिंग थोड़ा क्रिएट करना, थोड़ा अंडरस्टैंडिंग तो बहुत अच्छा। लाइक सी दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, सी वेयर वी गो एंड टीच द पीपल अबाउट द आत्मज्ञान, सेम साइमल्टेनियसली द सेम थिंग। योर डे टू डे लाइफ, योर फैमिली लाइफ शुड बी वेरी हैप्पी, स्वर्ग जैसा घर होना चाहिए, तो आपका स्पिरिचुअल प्रोग्रेस भी होगा। और स्पिरिचुअल प्रोग्रेस हुआ तो उसका इफेक्ट अपने डे टू डे लाइफ में आना चाहिए। इट इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट। जब हम आत्मा है, वो भी आत्मा है, फिर आत्मा में कौन सुपीरियर कौन इंफीरियर है? वो सुपीरियर, आई एम सुपीरियर, मैं इससे सुपीरियर हूँ, वो कहती मैं ज़्यादा सुपीरियर, वो कहता मैं ज़्यादा सुपीरियर। इसमें कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होता है। एवरीबॉडी थिंक्स आई एम राइट, तो इसमें कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होता है। વાઇફ ને બહેનોને માટે પણ સેમ છે. કલાબેન તમે છે સુરેશને પસંદ કરેલા ત્યારે તમારાથી મોટા લાયા નાના લાયા? ત્યારે મોટા પસંદ કર્યા ને, ઉંમરમાં મોટા જોઈએ. નાના લઈ આવ્યા હતા ને ક્યારમાં ગાડી ઉઠ ગયો ત્યારે ના તારે તો કે સુપીરિયર જોઈએ. મોટા જોઈએ, સુપીરિયર જોઈએ, પછી કે ભણેલા મારા કરતાં વધારે ભણેલા જોઈએ, આપણાથી નાના ના વધારે જોઈએ, પછી કે કમાતા ધમાતા જોઈએ, વધારે સરસ કમાતા, વેલ સેટલ જોઈએ. એ તો આપણે કહીએ તમે છે તો રસોડું સંભાળો, બાગરચી બનાવીને જે કમાઈ લાવો, ના એવા ના ચાલે આમ. એટલે આ બધી બધી ફિલ્ડમાં આપણે સુપીરિયર માંગ્યા. પછી પરણી લાયા ત્યાર પછી એમને સુપીરિયર રાખવું ને. ત્યાર પછી કે હું સુપીરિયર, આઈ એમ સુપીરિયર. જય સચ્ચિદાનંદ. એમને રિસ્પેક્ટ આપી તો શું થાય, છોકરાઓ પણ રિસ્પેક્ટ આપતા હતા. અને સુપીરિયર આપણે માઇન્ડમાં સુપીરિયર છે, આપણે સુપીરિયર તરીકે લઈ આવ્યા છીએ. બધી રીતે આપણે ઘરમાં મોટા છે ને વડીલ લઈ આવ્યા, આપણથી મોટા એટલે વડીલ કહેવાય. આ થાય છે શું, એમાં કિડ્સને બહુ પ્રોબ્लेम થઈ જાય. क्या होता है कि हस्बैंड वाइफ होता है ना, तो हस्बैंड और वाइफ को कहता है तू ऐसी तेरे मत कर लेंगे, तू ऐसी गलती करती, तू ऐसी गलती करती. फिर वाइफ हस्बैंड को क्या कहती है, तू ऐसा तेरे मत कर लेंगे, तू ये गलती किया, तू वो गलती किया. सी दोनों की अकल वो एक्सपोज हो जाती है, और किड्स के पास दोनों का नोट हो जाता है. किड्स जितने रहते हैं दे आर वेरी शार्प, वो नोट डाउन करते हैं, इनके माइंड में इंप्रेशन इम्पैक्ट हो जाता है, मम्मी ऐसी है वैसी है, डैडी ऐसे है वैसे है. और फिर हमको नहीं मालूम रहता, लेकिन एज ग्रो अप वो उनकी इंप्रेशन रहती है. कि जब वो बड़े होते हैं ना, तब आपको सुनाते मम्मी तू ऐसी वैसी, डैडी को तू इस बात को सुनाते, तू ऐसा वैसा. सी आप जब हस्बैंड वाइफ झगड़ते थे ना, तब चल गया. लेकिन जब आप कई लड़के आपके हस्बैंड को तुम ऐसे कह के झगड़ेगा, तब आपको आपसे सहन नहीं होगा. राइट है ना? ऐसे हम अपने चिल्ड्रन को स्पॉइल करते हैं. दादाजी को बहुत बड़ा प्रिंसिपल है, तुमको एक तो पहली बात तो झगड़ना ही नहीं हस्बैंड वाइफ में, और अगर झगड़े तो नेवर इन फ्रंट ऑफ किड्स. नेवर डोर क्लोज करके झगड़ो, या तो पार्क में जाके झगड़ो जोर से. लेकिन we yourself is spoiling our kids like this way. This awareness should keep, everyone should keep. It's very important. Can you get question पूछो, any question anyone ask? पूछो बहन के, पूछो है तो. हाँ.
How do you look at one's responsibilities in one's life?
Yeah. See, when you enter your life, right from beginning, as a son, as a student, everywhere your responsibilities differ. Every time, as you have different roles in your life. See, when after marriage, the responsibilities, they are all different. As a husband, then as a father, grandfather, all the time we are getting the changes. Yes. You understand? And you cannot escape from any responsibility. You have to fulfill all the responsibility. See, if you cut or you escape from any responsibility, that is not the proper way. You should fulfill your own responsibility. You should finish your responsibility. That is the proper way of finishing your karmas. You should finish your karmas, not you should cut your karmas. You understand? Saying Gita also, Lord Krishna asked Arjuna to finish all his responsibilities. Cannot escape them. And if you try to escape, it is not going to be cut. It will be after you. It won't. कर्म किसी को नहीं छोड़ता है. So why not finish it nicely? उसका पूरा निकाल करो, उसका निकाल करो, संभाव से निकाल कर डालो उसका. राग द्वेष बगैर, without any attachment or without any attachment. No attraction, no repulsion. बैलेंस में रह के, संभाव में रह के इसको फिनिश कर. That is the ideal thing.
I mean, if you bring up more of my than I, means you are shedding away from responsibilities.
No, not at all. My has to, I is coming, getting separated from my, but my is in this world, my has to fulfill all his responsibility. That means Shankar will complete his all responsibility, not you. And right now you think that I am my this one, I am the Shankar. So you will react in the form of happiness or unhappiness, anger, lust, greed. See, this reaction will come. But when you experience the separation of I and I, then let Shankar to fulfill all his responsibilities. All his duties he should finish without any reaction. Feel full of bliss will be inside you, within I. So then there is no tension, no worry. That is important thing. Right now, if big responsibility or any problem comes in your life, then you will be disturbed, your mind will be disturbed, you will be in worry, tension. So you won't be able to fulfill your responsibility properly. You will be mad with your family members because you are in tension. See, understand what I'm saying? But if you get experience the separation of I and mind, see, everything will come to mind. Then you won't feel anything, any tension, worry. So inside you will be all the time with full of happiness, bliss. And Shankar may have all problems or anything, but you can guide Shankar. Then your real light comes from within. And you can guide properly, this is correct for you, this is wrong for you. And then Shankar will be able to solve all these problems nicely.
Because to look into to fulfill the responsibilities, I see that you have to be more my than being I.
Yeah, responsibilities are
So,
all.
but on the other side, when you explain, say you be more I, look at things in I more than mine. So it's a bit contradicting.
Now you get clearly. See, these are two different things. Shankar, role of Shankar is different and role of your Atma is different. Function of Atma is totally different. Function of Shankar is total 100% different. What is the function of your Atma? Is just thing but just observer and perceiver, full of bliss. Jnata drashta pramana, that's it. He is not at all by anything. Or Shankar goes up responsibility है, सब उसका duties है. In other words, whatever Shankar has brought his karmas, he has to finish all these things. आप ना बोलो, हाँ बोलो या ना बोलो, you have to finish it. आप कहेंगे नहीं मुझे वाइफ नहीं चाहिए, बच्चे नहीं चाहिए, तो मार ठोक के आपके पीछे आके पड़ेंगे, पूरा करो, शादी करके लाओ. You understand? So why फिर ऐसा करके करना, उससे why not be full of awareness and with understanding full responsibility without any reacting badly or see वहाँ राग द्वेष नहीं होता है, फिर प्रेम रहता है, प्रेम शुद्ध प्रेम. और आप अभी आपको लगता है ना जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आप फुलफिल करते हैं ना, दैट्स नॉट प्रॉपर. कभी आप रिएक्ट हो जाते हैं. सिर्फ आपका सन है तो ग्रेजुएट होके आया, ए ग्रेड लेके आया, आप बहुत खुश हो जाएंगे और आप सबको टेलीफोन करेंगे कि मेरा सन फर्स्ट ए ग्रेड में फर्स्ट क्लास आया, फर्स्ट क्लास फर्स्ट आया. सबको आप फिर तो पेड़े भी भिजवा देंगे, स्वीट्स भिजवा देंगे. You will be all time happy. You will tell every, oh my son is very brilliant, very good son, very nice. अभी नहीं, आप फिर नेक्स्ट डे आपकी ब्रांड न्यू कार लेके वो गया और कहाँ उसने डैश कर दिया, स्पॉइल ये कर दिया, और वापस घर में आया क्या सो बताया तब तुझे आता नहीं क्यों मेरी गाड़ी लेके गया, नॉनसेंस स्टूपिड बोल देंगे ना। अरे अगले दिन तो आप कहते तो बहुत होशियार है और एक ही दिन में आपने उसका सर्टिफिकेट वापस ले लिया। सिर्फ दिस रिएक्शन, दिस इज राग द्वेष। अच्छा हुआ तो आप रिएक्ट करने लगे, उससे नफ्स खराब हो गया तो द्वेष होने लगा। और when you experience the separation of I and mine, or yours as well as your sons, दोनों का separation, और I is not doer of anything, my is different, and my is also is not wholly doer. That I will explain later on. See, then you won't get any reaction, good or bad. वो फर्स्ट क्लास ए ग्रेड लेकर आए तो भी आप उसको सब करेंगे, दैट विल बी ड्रामेटिक, एनकरेज करेंगे उसको, कार लेके देंगे उसको, सबको पैडी भी देंगे, लेकिन इनसाइड आप यू आर फुल अवेयर दैट दिस इज विथ माय पार्ट नॉट आवर पार्ट। सेम भी इवन वो कार डैश करके लाया ना तो भी उस टाइम में भी आपको यही अवेयरनेस रहेगी, देन आपका एक्ट इतना नॉर्मल होगा विदाउट एनी रिएक्शन। दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
People, I mean, I have heard so many people, even I might have come up with some, it's like something is happening. I just, especially in India, back in India, I see it is his karma, her karma, like that. And they not even help them. And he says, okay, it is his karma, leave it like that. That means you are withdrawing your responsibility, isn't it? For example, your mother may be suffering. Still, you may not be able to do much for her and say it's her karma. Like she has
no,
to
it's not. If she is your mother, then as a son, there is responsibility.
Correct, but one may be so selfish, he says,
No,
okay,
no,
forget
no,
it.
no, this is not the real realization. This is just Mashan Vera life. Selfishness. This is not the proper way. Real realization is totally different. If you go to this higher stage, this stage is not ordinary stage, the separation of I and mine. That is stage which gave a Lord Arjuna to Lord Krishna to Arjuna. This stage was a Mahavir gave to people. So this is the same. At this stage, your attitude, your mental attitude will not like that. You will be full of compassion. You will be full of compassion. It's not merciless. Karmas with mercy, you can't live. See, automatically, if you are having compassion in you, you can't see the other people suffering badly. You automatically, whether you say I don't want to do, or you say I will do it. So no time to think this. I will do or I won't do. It will happen automatically from within. You understand? And that is real thing. That is you need that thing. You can't see. You will help as much as you can and according to circumstances also. See, you are not whole and soul doer, but you are also under circumstances. But your feeling, your compassion, that will be ready for all the time. But still, the outward, how much you can help others, that is not in your hand. You understand what I am saying? Say for example, you are just walking on the road, it's just evening or night time, and you heard that where some four people are after some girl and they are harassing her. So they are all stout and big Negroes and having gun and everything, and you are all alone. What will you do that time? How can you help them? Even though you are full of compassion. The circumstances won't allow. If you go and, I will kill you, but you are having nothing. On the contrary, you will be killed. So what circumstances says you run away. Don't go there. If you run away and go and phone some policemen and let this to be saved. And instead of they go, ISIS is all senseless. What is sensible? There you have to run away. And you do other way. Help like this situation. Otherwise you will go, they will kill you. You will be killed, and that lady will be killed. There is no use, no point of doing helping in such circumstances. And if you are there, you are already starting off to face such situation, then you can help. You understand what I am saying? So don't feel that I want to do this or I don't want to do this, but you be open for all the time that I want to help my mind, speech and body, and it should be for other people's health. So circumstances will guide you, and according to the circumstances you do it. See, man is all the time guided by circumstances, right from birth. You are not whole and so doer. You are not whole and so doer. The karma, you said everyone's karma. Karma is also not, is very, very different thing to understand. What we understand, what layman understands about the karma, and the jnani understands, and jnani says about the karma, is total different thing. This karma is very deep subject to understand. See, say for what you understand, let me ask, because from that we can discuss about that also. See, first thing we will discuss about. See, who is doer of all these things? Who is doer of you, me, and the universe? Who is the governor? Who is governing all these things? In other words, doership about कर्तापन. कौन करता? वर्ड में कर्ता कौन है? That is very important. क्योंकि जितना अज्ञान में कौन है उसके बारे में, उतना ही अज्ञान कौन चलाता है, कैसे चलता है, उतना ही अज्ञान इसमें भी चलता है. See, all the time contradiction में रहते हैं हम. कभी सपोज आप $1 लाख आप कमा लिया, if you earn $1 लाख, तो $1 billion आप कमा लिया, तो आप क्या समझेंगे? मैं नहीं कमा, I earn. That ego will be with you. मैंने कमाया, मेरी अक्ल से कमाया, मेरी मेहनत से कमाया. This will be ऑटोमेटिकली अंदर रहता ही है. और अगर नेक्स्ट ईयर आपको लॉस हो गया $1 billion का, फिर आप वहाँ क्या कहेंगे? मेरा पार्टनर खा गया, मेरा मैनेजर अच्छा नहीं तो वो खा गया. वहाँ ऐसा आप नहीं कहेंगे कि मेरे कम अक्ल से लॉस हो गया, ये ना सर मैंने मेहनत नहीं की इसलिए गया, ऐसा नहीं कहेंगे. आप हम दूसरे पे ब्लेम करेंगे. और क्या कहेंगे नहीं तो कि माय स्टार्स आर नॉट फेवरेबल, कहते हैं ना लोग. सिर्फ अपने स्टार्स को ब्लेम कर दिया. सिर्फ स्टार्स को क्या अपने साथ बैठ था, वो बैड फीलिंग ही है फॉर अस, आपको $1 million का लॉस कर दिया. दिस इज ऑल कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन. स्टार्स तो मजाक कर रहे हैं अपने स्टारिंग के साथ ऊपर, यहाँ जब क्यों हैरान करने को आएगा. दिस इज अ रॉन्ग बिलीफ. इस रॉन्ग बिलीफ में अपन चलते हैं. फिर और क्या कहेंगे? भगवान उठा, ऐसा कहते हैं ना. एक लड़का अपना इकलौता लड़का ऑफ हो गया तो क्या कहेंगे? भगवान उठा, कहते हैं लोग. हम भी ऐसा कहते, भगवान उठा. अभी भगवान कभी रुकता है? वाइफ रुकती है ना, कभी कभी वाइफ रुक जाती है ना, उसके साथ में तेल निकाल देती है ना, जिधर बुढ़ी गई तो खाना भी नहीं मिलता है. तो फिर भगवान उठे और वाइफ उठे, फिर नॉट ए डिफरेंस बिटवीन हिम एंड वाइफ. भगवान उठा और कैसे उठेगा? भगवान को उठा तो भगवान कहाँ से कहेंगे उसको? सो दिस इज ऑल कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन. और उसको भगवान को भी हमारे साथ क्या बैठ था कि अपना $1 million का लॉस कराया उसने. then he will be very cruel person. उसका एक कहता मेरे एक साल लड़का मर गया फिर भगवान ले लिया, कहते हैं ना भगवान ने मेरा लड़का ले लिया, ऐसा कहता है। तो भगवान ले लेते हैं तो फिर भगवान क्या करेगा, ऐसा टमाटर पत्थर हो गया। See, if God is doer of all this world, then another question comes. Why then this world is feel like this? This is where nobody is happy, everyone is unhappy. दुनिया में अच्छा होता है ना, उससे ज़्यादा बुरा बहुत हो रहा है। तो he is doer, then everything goes to him, उसके सर पे जाता है। You understand? Doership. क्योंकि कर्म थ्योरी क्या है, जो करता है उसको भुगतना पड़ता है। One who is doer, he should be suffer. एक्शन का रिएक्शन आता है, you cannot avoid that. You understand? कि जो करता है उसको ही आना है, भोक्ता बनाता है। वन जो करता है, one who is doer, he is suffer. भगवान जो करता हो गया तो उसको सफर होना पड़ता है। तो भगवान ऐसा कच्चा नहीं है, तो फिर भगवान ही फीस जोड़ दें, कर्म की थ्योरी उड़ जाती है पूरी, फिर हमको कुछ करने का ही नहीं रहा। See, this is all contradiction about devotion. This is a very deep thing to understand. See, in other words, you are blaming God. If he is not at all doer, then you are blaming God, he is doing all these things. वो कहता है ना भगवान मुख्य मर्जी बगैर कुत्ता भी नहीं मिलता है, तो इतना सारा गीत, इतना भ्रष्टाचार, व्यभिचार, दुराचार हो रहा है, तो उसकी मर्जी से हो रहा है, ऐसा हो गया। This is all contradiction. ऐसी मर्जी क्यों करेगा भगवान? So he should be full of compassion. हमको बोलते compassion करो, किसी को हेल्प करो, तो फिर उसने सबको कितना हेल्प करना चाहिए। See, these are so many questions comes if you think that God is doer and God is running or governing whole universe. And then another question comes, where God is, what is the real address of God, कहाँ रहता है, क्या करता है, ये भी क्वेश्चन आता है ना। So many. We have darkness for all these things. So that is very important. Unless and until you understand all these facts, you cannot worship the real God. You are always in the imaginary God, not real God. आपने जरा भी डूअर कह दिया भगवान करता है, मेरा ऊपरी है, सब है, तो वहाँ कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन आ गया। कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन है वहाँ स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज, रियल नॉलेज नहीं आपको मिलेगा। से अब हम लेबोरेटरी में पानी बनाते हैं ना, H2 + O is equal to water, right? See, instead of giving H2O, if I give you H2 and O2, can you make water? Can you prepare water? No. Not a single atom plus or minus will be allowed to get the correct result. कितना परफेक्शन लगता है। सो यहाँ इधर नहीं कुछ बहुत स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज, वहाँ परफेक्शन नहीं चलेगा, लगेगा, वहाँ सब कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन हाउ कैन लगेगा। कितना कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन होता है अपने अंडरस्टैंडिंग में, अपने नॉलेज में। दैट्स व्हाई वी डोंट गेट द रिजल्ट। ये तो इतना वर्शिप करता है, इतना भगवान का नाम लेता है, इतना, तो भी कुछ रिजल्ट नहीं आता है। और रिजल्ट क्या हुआ, आप कौन से भी भगवान का नाम लो, किसकी भी माला करो या जप करो, ध्यान करो, लेकिन उसका रिजल्ट में क्या आना चाहिए, अपना तो वो अपना क्रोध, मान, माया, लोभ, राग, द्वेष कुछ कम होना चाहिए, अंतर शांति बढ़ना चाहिए, टेंशन, वरी, दिस थिंग शुड गो। ये जब तक है तब तक समझना कि वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग, वर्शिपिंग, यू आर नॉट doing it properly or without understanding properly. Otherwise result should come. इतना अच्छा है ये अपना understanding वाला religion. So coming back to that worship. So see God, what is real God? Where is the real God? God is in every creature, whether visible or invisible. Not in invisible things. See, there are so many things. This is invisible thing, this is invisible thing. This is thing where God is not there. लिविंग बीइंग में है, जहाँ आत्मा है वहीं परमात्मा है. जड़ में नहीं है, जड़ नहीं है, वो चेतन है. चेतन में जिसकी प्रेजेंस से जहाँ लाइफ है, ग्रोथ है, वहाँ है God. इसमें ग्रोथ नहीं है, इसमें लाइफ नहीं है, इसमें नहीं है, इसमें नहीं है, इसमें भी नहीं है. हाँ, एवरी लिविंग बीइंग में है. जीव मात्र में है, आत्मा है, वही रियल. कृष्ण भगवान ने भी गीता में भी कहा, हर एक के अंदर आत्मा है. यीशु देखता है काका मामा दादा ये सब नहीं, लेकिन ये सब आत्मा है रियल में. और वही मैं हूँ, मेरा स्वरूप है. इसको तू देख पहचान. Any question, Shankar? आप समझते हैं? Are you following me? Are you getting clear ideas? This is very important. You should go further. So then you yourself is not doer independently. You are also not independent doer. आप खुद स्वतंत्र करता नहीं है कोई चीज़ की. अगर आप स्वतंत्र कर सकते हैं ना तो इंडिपेंडेंटली, तो आप ऐसा करते कि आप यहाँ नहीं बैठते थे, छोटे में कौन आ जाता था. आप इंटर्न होके you see, if you are able to do whatever you wish, then nobody will be stay in small things. हवा में उड़ते हैं ना, क्यों छोटे में रहते हैं. और कोई अपने को इतना भी दुख नहीं पड़ने देता है. जो अपने हाथ में अगर होल एंड सोल वर्शिप है तो जो भी अपना विश होगा वैसे ही करेगा, वैसे ही मिल पाएगा. लेकिन इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. Whatever you wish, you cannot get it. That means there is also some limitation. You are not whole and soul independently doer of anything. So, see, you are guided by circumstances. The circumstances are pulling you, driving you, compelling you to certain things. All the things, not talking all the things. Say schools, all scientific circumstances, evidences ही आपको गाइड करते हैं. आपके माइंड, स्पीच और बॉडी, that means your soul, शुद्धात्मा आत्मा, and Shankar's mind, speech, body, they are also the biggest circumstances which you have right now. And you are pulled by these circumstances. And Shankara is also having so many circumstances. They are pulling, they are guiding Shankara also.
I have a simple question.
Yeah.
Atma, what does that mean? And what is Shankara?
Yeah, we all discussed before, but that's nice question. Nice, we will discuss again, no problem.
And what does Atma mean? Life or soul?
Soul. Soul. Atma means soul. And in the presence of soul, the life is there. Yeah. See, what is the function of soul which is inside? There are two things. May I know your name? Atul. See, Atul is your name, right? You are not Atul. See, Atul is name just to identify your body, right? So you have yourself, that is your soul and your body. These are also two separate things. You say my body, that you won't say that I am body. So I and my is two separate things. I is your soul, yourself. Soul means yourself, the real thing. And wherever you say my, these are all your belongings and this is all relative. See, my body, see, as soon as you leave this body, people will burn this body. That means you are not the body, right? So, see, wherever you say my, say for example, you say my body, my mind, my speech. You won't say that I am body or I am speech or I am mind, right? So, wherever you say my body, this is all total separate from your soul. Then my go, my intellect, my my house, my wife, my kids, my money. See, everything goes in my.
That's to
Not
do everything. That's to do with the truth.
યા મારે જે મારું મારું કહીએ છીએ ને એ બધું જ પારખું છે, પરાયું છે, રિલેટિવ છે. અને હું જે છે ને આઈ તે આપણે પોતે છીએ. દેટ ઇઝ યોર સેલ્ફ. અને એ જ આત્મા કહો, પરમાત્મા કહો, ગોડ કહો, જે કહો એ તમે પોતે છો. અને એ રિયલ છે, પરમનન્ટ છે. એ રિયલાઇઝ કરવાનું છે. એન્ડ વન્સ યુ રિયલાઇઝ દેટ ધેન ઓલ ધ ટાઈમ યુ એક્સપિરિયન્સ દેટ આઈ એમ નોટ અ બોડી, આઈ એમ નોટ અ સ્પીચ, આઈ એમ નોટ માઇન્ડ, બટ આઈ એમ પ્યોર સોલ. હું શુદ્ધ આત્મા છું એ તમે ખ્યાલમાં જ રહે. અને એ ઓટોમેટિકલી તમારે એના માટે કશું કરવું ના પડે, ભૂખવું ના પડે, યાદ કરવું ના પડે. પણ એની મેળે અંદરથી જ તમને આ ખ્યાલ આવે. વન્સ યુ રિયલાઇઝ રિયલ થિંગ, દેટ રિયલાઇઝેશન રિમેન્સ પરમનન્ટલી ઓલ ધ ટાઈમ. અને આ બે સેપરેટ રહ્યા કરે. પછી અતુલ છે તો એનું બધું જ ડે ટુ ડેની લાઈફ જે હોય, એના જે ડ્યુટીઝ હોય, જે રિસ્પોન્સિબિલિટીઝ હોય, એ બધું જ પૂરી કરે. Then,
But whatever a tool does, that affects the soul.
now what happens when Atul dies? Then soul leaves this body. What is the death? As soon as soul leaves this body, the one body remains without soul, that is death. And what happens with that soul? See, the soul when leaves this body is not all absolute soul. It's not all alone. If it would have been all alone, then it may have gone directly to the most salvation, total liberation. But not the liberated soul is not there right now. But the soul is surrounded by all karmas in the form of Sukshma Sarir, Parasit, in other words, electrical body and causal body and soul. These three things go together. And this causal body is there. So the causal body, what are the causes is having in the causal body? According to them, the soul and all these three things will be pulled to another body, and new birth will be immediately when there is the time when the meeting of sperm and ovum is there. At that time, this soul enters in that, and new life will be started there. This happens within the time.
And the
So even after death, mind goes to heart.
Yeah, not mine. No. See,
My
my
karma, my karmas.
see, physical body is there.
I'm talking about karmas.
Yeah, karmas. What is karma? Karmas are also of two types. One sthula karma, and another is sukshma karma. See, sukshma karma is nothing but your karmas which are inside sukshma karmas. Nobody can see that sukshma karmas, and that sukshma karma charges new karma for your next life. And sthula karma, which are visible with five senses, you can experience with five senses. These are nothing but discharge karma from which you have carried from your past life. So sthula karmas will be ended, that from birth to death, all through sthula karmas you have to finish. That will be finished automatically. You need not to do anything for that. It will come. And as soon as you finish all your sthula karmas, then and then only the soul can leave this body, otherwise it cannot leave. And sukshma karma, simultaneously when discharged sthula karmas are there, simultaneously you charge new karmas. That is sukshma karma. And that nobody can see, even you also cannot understand what is going on inside. Say for example, I'll tell you an example. Suppose you are doing donation of $5,000 to some institute. You are given $5,000. Then one of your friends comes to you, he came to you, and he said, "Oh, you have given $5,000 to this institute. oh, this institute is very bad institute, people are very bad, they are all, they are not good, they will use your money, they will make bad use of your money. Why you gave this money to this institute? Then he will say, oh, I am very smart, I know everything about this institution. But what, I was helpless. See, my son's in-law was chairman of this institute. So because of his pressure, I had to give this 5,000. Otherwise, I would not give $5 to this institution. See, there are two different things. In Sthul Karma, you are giving $5,000 for good thing. So you are doing good thing in your Sthul Karma. But simultaneously inside, you are charging Sukshma Karma. I won't give $5 also. See, this will for your next life, $5. You cannot give $5 even in the next life. And right now you have your $5,000 because you were charged in your past life. And I should give $5 to some institution. That's why you have given. So this is all two separate things. Sthul Karma and Sukshma Karma. See, every moment there are two things simultaneously going on. Sthul as well as Sukshma inside. Inside is nothing but your intention behind it. That is the important thing which charges your karmas. In other words, you can say ભાવ. આપણા ભાવ કેવા છે એના ઉપરથી કર્મ ચાર્જ થાય છે. દરેક ક્રિયાની પાછળ ભાવ હોય છે. એ આપણે ખબર નથી પડતી, પણ જ્યારે આપણી દ્રષ્ટિ ભાવ તરફ જાય છે કે અમે ભાવ શું થાય છે. બીજો એક દાખલા તરીકે તમે છે તો રાત્રે સુવા જાઓ છો, બધા ઘરના સુઈ ગયા ને 11 વાગી ગયા છે, તમે બારણા બંધ કરો છો, સુવાની તૈયારી કરો છો, એટલામાં જ કોઈ બારણું નોક કરે છે. એટલે તમે ખોલશો બાળક એટલે તમે જોશો કોઈ છે તો ન્યુયોર્કથી તમારા કોઈ મિત્ર આવે છે તમારી પાસે, તમારા ફ્રેન્ડ એક આવે છે 11 વાગે વિધાઉટ એની કોલ ડાયરેક્ટ આવે છે. એની સાથે બીજા 10-12 એના ફ્રેન્ડ હોય છે, બધાને લઈને આવે છે. તમે એકને તમારા ફ્રેન્ડને ઓળખો, બીજા કોઈને ઓળખતા નથી. હવે આવે છે એટલે રાત્રે 11 વાગી ગયા છે ને તમે આવીને જોશો એટલે તમે ઘણા વર્ષો પછી મળશે તો તમે પણ તોય તમે શું કહેશો? ખુશ થઈને આનંદથી આવો આવો પધારો પધારો કહેશું ને આપણે. પછી બધા બીજા 10-12 જણાને જોયા એટલે અંદર પાછું બીજું નહીં બોલશે, અત્યારે કંઈ થયું આ. બહાર તો આપણે કહીએ છીએ કે આવો પધારો પધારો, સ્થૂળમાં તો આપણે એવું કહીએ છીએ, અને ઇનસાઇડ અત્યારે એટલે બોલાવીશું તો ખરા. આપણે ખાનદાન એટલે એમ તો ના કહી જતો રહો મોટલમાં, બોલાવશું તો ખરા. એમ પછી બેસાડશું બધાને, પછી કે થોડી ચા લેશો, ચા કોફી શું લેશો? તો પેલા કહેશે એમાં ચા કોફી રહેવા દો ને, ખીચડી કઢી હશે તો ચાલશે. એટલે બહેરા પાછળ કુદા કૂદ કે અત્યારે રાત્રે 11 વાગે ખીચડી ગઈ બાપુ એમ. પણ તો બહાર બધું જ કરશો. હા, ખીચડી બનાવશે, કઢી કે શાક ઘરે ના ચાલે. એટલે આ બધું કરશે ખરા, પણ અંદર પાછું છે તો બીજું અંદર. See, there are two things different. એટલે આ બહાર આપણે સરસ વ્યવહાર કરીએ, એ આપણું સ્થૂળ કર્મ. ગયા ભાવમાં આપણે ચાર્જ કરેલો એના આધારે આ ડિસ્ચાર્જમાં આપણે સારી રીતે બોલાવીએ છીએ, પણ અંદર પાછું ચાર્જ ખરાબ કરીએ છીએ. ક્યાંથી ખીચડી કઈ બધી બનાવશે, ખવડાવશે તો પણ એની અંદર તો ચાલતી જ હોય કચકચ. પાછા કઈ આવ્યા, આટલા બધા કઈ સુડાવશું, બધા આટલી તો સ્લીપિંગ બેગો નથી, છોકરા હોઈ ગયા છે, કઈ ઉઠાડશું, બધું જાત જાતની ધમાલ ચાલતી હોય. પછી પેલા હસબન્ડ અંદર જઈને પેલી વાઈફને પૂછે આ ક્યારે જવાના છે પૂછને, તો કે હું ઘઉં ક્યાંની પૂછું, તમારા ભાઈબંધ છે. હા, મારો ભાઈબંધ છે પણ તારા પિયરનો છે ને, પૂછને. એટલે આ ભાઈનું ચાલ્યા કરે.
પહેલેથી તમે એ પણ કહી દો કે નો, નોટ વેલકમ, Because if that's a bad thought, are you still negatively charging yourself?
ના સી તમે એવું તમે જેવું ચાર્જ કર્યું છે ને એવું જ તમે કહી શકશો. તમે એવું કોઈને મારા ઘરે રાખો ને એવું તમે ચાર્જ કરી લાવો છો તો તમે કહી દેશો એને. અને તે ઘડી કહેતી ઘડી તમને અંદર એવું પણ થાય સમય ખોટું થયું છે, આપણે રાખવા તો જોઈએ, પણ બોલાઈ જશે એવું. અથવા એવું પણ હોય કે ના બરાબર કર્યું એને કાઢી મૂક્યા તે નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ કારણે એવું થાય. See, these two things.
Which is worse?
Inside જે થાય છે that is what.
So
Bad
that's all that matters. What's inside.
bad thoughts જે તમારા ઇનસાઇડ થાય છે ને that is worst. See, તમે કહી દો ને તમારે જો you are not able to
Right.
adjust any way તો પછી તમે કહી દો, પણ પ્રેમથી કહો. the way you should know the way. મેં કહ્યું કે ભાઈ મારે અત્યારે સગવડ નથી, આટલા બધા હું કરી ના શકું. એ પોસિબલ હતું કે મારા ફ્રેન્ડને ત્યાં કે બીજા કંઈ હોય તે ત્યાં થોડા એડજસ્ટ કરું, એવું જો થઈ શકે એવી રીતે કરો. એ પણ ના થાય તો પછી કહેવાનું કે મોટલમાં પછી પૈસાની સગવડ હોય તો તમે મોટલમાં રાખો, પૈસા હું આપી દઉં, મોટલમાં મારો ખર્ચો જમવા આવજો કે ગમે તે વોટ એવર. એ બી ના હોય કે સોરી મને બહુ સારા હું તમને રાખત તમને બહુ જ આનંદ થાય પણ હું એવા સિચ્યુએશન નથી કે તમે રાખી શકો. આવી રીતના તમે એનો નિકાલ કરો ને દેટ ઇઝ બેટર. પણ તમે બે રીતે કરો ને અંદરથી ખરાબ ને બહાર સારું. અથવા તો પછી હવે સારામાં સારો રસ્તો તમને બતાડું ટફ ઓફ ઓલ કે તમે એને બોલાવશો ખવડાવશો કરશો તો બધું જ મોડેથી ના નહીં કહી શકો એવી સિચ્યુએશન આવી ગયા તો તમારી તેગડી અંદર જે બગડે છે ને ભાવ એને કરેક્ટ કરી નાખો ને આ બીજી બધી માથાકૂટ કર્યા કરતા. ઇનસાઇડ યુ ચેન્જ યુઅર ઓલ બેડ થોટ્સ. એવો આપણે શું ગયું છે ના સારી રીતે રાખવાના. ખવડાવો પીવડાવો, ભલે ખીચડી ખવડાવો કે બ્રેડ બટરે ખવડાવો પણ ભાવ વગર આવો. પેલા કે ભાઈ અત્યારે ખીચડી કરી નથી આવ્યો તો કહો તો બટરને બ્રેડની ચાય બની આપું છું. દેટ ઇઝ તમે આપણે ચાલશે ને આપણે એટલું પોસિબલ. એટલે એવું ના કે ના નહીં ચાલ ખીચડી જ કરું તો કે નહીં ખીચડી કરું તો આ ખાવું પડશે ખાવું પડશે. પ્રેમથી ખવડાવીશ કે આમ તમે પણ બ્રેડ બટરને ચા ખવડાવીશ. હા એવું વાંધો ના આવે પણ પ્રેમ એમાં એ ના હોય. એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ આપણે લેવાના અને અંદર ભાવ નહીં બગાડો. ભાવ જો બગડે ને તરત એને કરેક્ટ કરી નાખો, રેક્ટિફાઈ ઇટ. ના આ ખોટું થઈ રહ્યું છે, હું કરું જ કરું મારું બેડ ચાર્ટ થાય છે માટે કરેક્ટ કરી નાખો. ભાવને ક્લિયર કરી નાખો. ના એનો હિસાબ છે, એ કરેક્ટ છે, બન્યું એ જ ન્યાય છે. આવ્યા દેટ ઇઝ કરેક્ટ, એ આપણું કર્મ છે ને સારી રીતે પૂરું કરો. ભાવ બગાડ્યા વગર તો એ ફિનિશ થઈ જશે. And then the third thing, the beautiful thing I will tell you, when you are experiencing separation of your I and mind, and you are put under such circumstances, then what happens that that also you know. See, in my case, suppose I am there and these same circumstances are there, and suppose thoughts come from within. Nobody knows which thought is going to come from inside. Our soul doesn't have any control over our thoughts. Whatever we have brought, all the karmas from our past life, bad thoughts, good thoughts, mind, speech, body, don't have direct control. So it may come, thoughts may come from inside. वो અત્યારે ક્યાંથી આયા આમને કોઈ રીતના એડજસ્ટ કરું. But what happens? Soul remains separate. આત્મા એનાથી જુદો જ રહે છે. And he reads what thoughts are going on. But there is no reaction with those thoughts. Thoughts will come and go. If it is important thoughts, then I'll pick that up. Otherwise, I will leave it. Okay, no problem. You have come, go away. Goodbye. I don't need you. And if it is helpful to my work, then I will, okay, come and help me. Understand? So there is no reaction from inside. So that karma will be from inside. It will be ended there only. No new karmas, good or bad for next life. And while if you are having good inside, then also you have punya karma that you have to come back and you have to finish it. Bad karma, then also you have to come back. There is punya and pap. See, when you, what is punya and pap? See, when you think of giving happiness, to give happiness to others, that is punya. And you think to give unhappiness to others, that is પાપ. બીજાને કંઈ પણ દુઃખ આપવાનો ભાવ થયો તે પાપ છે અને બીજાને કંઈ પણ સુખ આપવાનો ભાવ થયો તે પુણ્ય છે. ધીસ ઇઝ શોર્ટ એન્ડ સિમ્પલ એન્ડ કરેક્ટ એડ્રેસ. પછી તમે કંઈ પણ ફોર્મમાં સુખ આપો, ઇટ ઇઝ ડિફરન્ટ થિંગ. ઇટ ઇઝ ઇન મટીરિયલ. બટ સુખ આપવાનો થયો ભાવ ત્યાંથી પુણ્ય બંધાય છે. દુઃખ આપવાનો ભાવ થાય ત્યાંથી પાપ બંધાય છે. ધીસ ઇઝ ધ પુણ્ય અને પાપ છે. અને એનું ફળ આવે જ છે ને તમારે એને પૂરી કરવાની હોય છે. જ્યારે વિબ્રેશન એટલે જે મોક્ષ તરફ જનારા છે, જેને રિયલાઇઝ થયેલું છે આત્માનું, આત્મજ્ઞાન થાય છે, પછી એના બંનેમાં કોઈ રિએક્ટ નથી થતો. જે હોય તે આવે ને જાય, પોતે એમાં રિએક્ટ થતો નથી, એમાં ઇન્વોલ્વ થતા નથી. સો ડઝન્ટ ગેટ ઇન્વોલ્વ ઇન વોટ વોઝ ગુડ ઓર બેડ. જસ્ટ વોચિસ, ઓબ્ઝર્વ કરે છે, જુએ છે, જાણે છે, આવીને જતા રહે છે. That's it. અને ઇન્વોલ્વમેન્ટ નથી. તમે આ કરતા ઇન્વોલ્વ થયા તો એ તમને ચોટી પડશે. અને તમે છૂટા રહ્યા તો એમ જતા રહેશે, એને એન્ડ આવી જશે. નો ન્યૂ ચાર્જ ફોર યોર નેક્સ્ટ લાઈફ. That is guarantee. And that is the important thing. જેટલા લિબરેશન જેને જોઈએ છે, ફાઇનલ સાલ્વેશન, અલ્ટિમેટ સાલ્વેશન, and the first thing that one has to achieve to separation of I and I. Realize your I, what is that? And that is very important thing. See, Dada Bhagwan, he has achieved that knowledge in 1958. He was sitting in a bench of railway station in Surat station in 1958, and he had his realization there, and he saw whole universe, all the problem of, and he understood what is the karma, or how one can get the karma, or how one can come out from karmas, what is salvation, and what is soul, what is atma, what are the functions, everything. He got the answer, and he realized everything. And same realization, same knowledge, he used to give the other people. And I met him in 1969, I got the same knowledge from him. And that too within 2 hours, no time, nothing, no rituals in this. This is realization is totally different from rituals. Ritual is what rituals? This is for my part. Religion is I's religion is Atma Dharma. And see, whatever we do religion right now is of my Dharma, that is Vyavhar Dharma and Atma Dharma. There are two separate things. When you realize your Atma, then the Atma Dharma starts working. Before that, Vyavhar Dharma, whatever you can do for your religion, it is all Vyavhar Dharma. And Vyavhar Dharma brings you from Ashud to Shud, from bad deeds to good deeds. That's it. But not the liberation. You understand what we do? Bhakti or Dhyan or Mala, Jap or Dhyan, yoga, whatever. But if what you believe that I am Atul and I am doing meditation, I am doing Mala or Jap or whatever, that means you are doer and you believe that I am Atul. That means you have new karma you are getting, and that is punya karma. But when you realize I am one Shuddha Atma and I am not doer of anything, only the circumstances are doing all these things, and I am totally separate out of all these circumstances, then there is no new karma, and you are finishing whatever you have brought the karmas from your past life. This is very beautiful thing I got from him, and so many people are getting the same thing. This is only 2 hours experiment. We do sometimes, and it's a beautiful experience. Just you have such thing, then you will be also able to understand, to realize separation of I and my. And that is permanent for all the time, not temporary for few years and it goes away. No, that is a permanent. That is the real knowledge. The knowledge which is real, it should be permanent. And it should be, it should come from within automatically. Without, it should be effortless. Not by any rituals or any creepy efforts. Any question?
Do you build up karmas if, say, for example, your mother dies and you go through grief period and you miss her and everything.
Yeah.
But if you miss her too much or if your atma starts missing it, then do you build up a karma?
Yeah, there is karma. See, even you during sleep also you are building new karmas. Because when you go to bed, when you sleep, you think, oh, I am Atul and I am sleeping. I want sleep. I had nice sleep. I had disturbed sleep. See, I had dream. What is that? You are not Atul. You are not sleeping. You are pure soul. So never sleeps. See, this is when we will build new karmas, when you feel like I am Atul and I am doing. See, simple thing, how this karma gets created. See, when you become doer, then karma will be built. કરતા થાય ત્યારે કર્મ ઉત્પન્ન થાય. સમજો? કરતા ક્યારે થાય છે? ઈગો હોય ત્યારે, અહંકાર. ડુઅરશીપ ક્યારે? કરતા પણ ક્યારે થાય? તો અહંકાર હોય તો જ કરતા થાય. સમજે? હવે અહંકાર, what is અહંકાર? What is ego? એ જ્ઞાનીઓ કહે છે ego. It's not visible. Whatever you are visible is pride or something. But ego, which is the root of all doership. What is that? See, when you believe that I am Atul, that is the root of ego. You are not yet Atul. It is just name, sign, if you have to give up for integration. But still you believe that I am Atul. Then you get, so you forget your real I and new I has victor. That is nothing but ego. You understand? And that I takes for all doership. And whatever going on around you, that ego thinks that I have that. See, so many things. Suppose you want to prepare a tea. So many things you need to prepare a tea, right? You need pot, you need milk, you need water, you need tea bag or whatever you use, sugar, stove, everything you need, right? See, everything is there. If pot is not there, can you prepare? No. If there is no stove, if there is no electricity, yesterday happened in Kittika, 22 was there is no electricity. See, everything is there, but if you are not there also, nobody can prepare a tea, right? So many things you need to prepare a tea. So many circumstances, if they act together, then and then only you can get the result. Nobody is whole and soul doer. Not a single substance can say that I have done it, I have prepared it. You understand what I am saying? So nobody is independently doer in this world. Not you or anything. So it's all circumstances, they come together. You are also, Atul is also one of the circumstances. See, you are main thing. If you are not there, no further thing can come to you. But you are not whole and soul simultaneous. You should understand that also. So doership is not all. Now what ego thinks, see man is having ego, so what he says, I have done, I have prepared tea. See, he never gives share to other things, he never gives share to pot or stove or tea or milk or anything. See, whole and soul he becomes doer. So once he becomes doer, then he has to be sufferer. Sufferance in the two forms. Sufferer in the two forms. If a tree is good, so everybody is, oh, he has been very nice tea, then he will be happy. So the suffering will be in the form of happiness. And because, oh, he has spoiled the tea and or is bad and all these things, then you will be depressed. Then suffering will be in the form of unhappiness. So once you become doer, then you have to be sufferer, to suffer in the two forms, either in the form of happiness or in the form of unhappiness. You cannot avoid all these things once you become doer. And the real knowledge comes in your mind, oh, nobody is doer, I have not done. But all these circumstances together prepare to you. So you don't become doer, then you won't be sufferer. So the same principle everywhere you can apply, then there won't be any tension, worry or bad feeling or nothing. You will be totally free. You will be all the time light-headed. Because you are not taking anything on your hand. You understand what I mean? So this ego is there, that all the time takes believe that I have done. And when you believe that I have done, that means all karmas are people.
It's like you almost get to the point where all the burden is gone.
Yeah. It's not in your on you. Right now it is your wrong belief that all burden you take on your head, on your shoulder. Because that is wrong belief. You are not doer whole yourself. You are a part, and that too the circumstances are pulling you. You are. If you get separate, I am serious. When you experience separation, then no circumstances can pull your side. It can be pulled, but not your side. So no suffering. There won't be. I don't get any suffering at any time. Anybody gives any type of insult or any kind of words or anything, never comes to me. Or any physical illness or anything. Only I remain as a knower possible. This body is getting pain or whatever. Anything. See, all the time, as if you are looking the video of your own son. You are looking the video of Abdul all the time. Separate. Whatever thoughts comes, lot of thoughts come on morning to you. But not a single thought can bother you. You don't get involved in it. That's the beautiful experience. The real life, real enjoyment of life, then only it starts. And this is not the life all the time. Life is full of tension, worries and all misunderstanding between people, and see, that makes our life bitter. When all the time, when we are free, liberated from within, then there is no bitterness in your life. That's what so many people. Last year I came in the Tripura, that time so many people meet there. And they had beautiful, it was still, after 1 year I met, after 1 year I saw they are having nice progress in their spiritual line and happiness and so many changes in their lives. You can meet them, you can discuss with them, and that's the very beautiful thing. And only we had this knowledge for only 2 hours session, that's it. Right now we are discussing and preparing the background, getting the clear ideas about belief of our own self, or our worship, or what other people. That is one thing. And getting the enlightenment from within, that is a special program of 2 hours. Tomorrow we will arrange that in Kipika. If anybody is interested, can come and spend 3 hours. And then you can find it definitely. It's total different life, total different angle, which is real and realization. Anybody having any question? કોઈને કંઈ પૂછવું હોય તો પૂછવું, બેનો માસી કરતા question.
This is very important. Very
No tension, nothing. It's good.
When it comes, immediately you see that it's realistic.
You can say your experience here. So I have met you only once or twice last year. Last time we have never met. But see, this is not a sort of guru or shishya or nothing. This is not that type. I am not guru of anybody, or he was not the guru of anyone. See, what we remain, I remain in my soul, I remain in the soul, not in the body. So how can soul, and I give that realization to others. That means I am soul, you are also soul. So soul cannot be guru of anyone, soul cannot be shishya of anyone. That is same. But after enlightenment, what happens? Your soul all is the final guru of your own self. So your soul will be guru of two. That is Param Guru God, and that will give guide all the time. See, this guru, suppose I am guru, I give knowledge, I give some mantra, whatever I give, and then I leave your place and I go to India. And suppose you are having so many problems after that, then how will you get solved that? There is no communication all the time. You can have communication after 1 year or 2 years when you leave, right? Then how you... But no need of all these things, no need of external gurus. Your soul all the time guides within. And immediately, that's what he wants to say, immediately comes from within and gets the solution. Separation, immediate separation. And no tension, no worry, nothing. Yes, what you were going to say?
After the last year's experience, a lot of changes within the sense we start looking at each person differently.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe before Jnanvidhi, I would get rag dvesh.
Mm-hmm.
It used to come, feeling bad feelings towards others.
Mm-hmm.
And then after that, you see, sort of try to look at each person as Shuddhatma and their bodily self.
Mm-hmm.
So immediately it comes, you see. So
That's good.
sometimes when it comes, it has happened to me. Sometimes I get some sort of wrong feeling. You immediately try to recognize that and try to shoot it aside and not aside.
That's good.
Immediately, or do the pratikrama,
That's good.
or just get rid of it immediately there. So it's totally, it's a different experience. I just can't express it, but it's there. And it's a different way of looking at it.
That's very good. Beautiful. Bukucha. I can understand what you are experiencing because we have gone all through all this.
It's hard to, communicate in words verbally, but there is that anand inside.
Anand inside.
It's always there. Immediately when you see that something is bothering you, you can see that I in mind almost getting there. So hey, you better get away from that now. So that's how you try to look
Yeah,
at things.
this any problem, very big problems or anything, but that will still outside. that will stay with prasad,
Right. Whatever is happening,
not
it's
with
all-
his Shuddharma.
and even whatever is happening, it's all old account. Purana is all.
Yeah.
So it's going on. So just I take it that way. So it's Prasad's thing, old account, so it's somebody else. Just get rid of it.
Somebody else's
Right.
account.
So in last thing, maybe I had something. So now get rid of that. So you start looking at it in that perspective and trying to look at it. And so there's nothing like getting involved in it, tension or worry. So even if it happens to be there, immediately try to get away with it.
This all comes not only from the theme of
Automatically.
Bhagavad. That is very important. There you need not do anything. भाई चलो ये माला करो, ये meditation में बैठो, ध्यान में बैठो, या कुछ मानता मानो, ये मेरा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाए तो इतना चढ़ावा दूंगा, वैसा वैसे किसी वेदांत ऐसा है. See, this is the real knowledge. That's the beautiful thing. You are experiencing excellent.
Again, whatever is happening is you understand that it's Vyavasthit. You're not going to do anything.
That's right.
Just still not rather stop feeling. Just look at it, see it.
It goes away. So many people are having same experience. And समझे ना what he said? So अर्जुन को यही बताया था. अर्जुन को यही एक्सपीरियंस हुआ. उसके कर्म अलग है, अपने कर्म अलग है. स्टोरी, इनर स्टोरी इज द सेम. सबको शुद्धात्मा देखते हैं आप, वो भी उसको पता है कि सबको शुद्धात्मा देख के बांध चला, तो उसने उसी तरह किया. और राग द्वेष नहीं हुआ उसको. राग द्वेष पहले था, फिर बाद में राग द्वेष को बगैर किया उसने. इतने करोड़ों को मार डाला. स्टिल नॉट अ सिंगल कर्म पिक्ड अप बिकॉज़ ये तो उसको नरक में जाना पड़ता था, इतने सारे को मार डाला. तो नहीं, एक भी कर्म नहीं बना और वो सीधा मोक्ष में गया उसी जन्म में. That is the beauty of this separation of our
And I have another experience also of when after the Gnan ceremonies, he used not only see within yourself but even with other people. It's their video too running on.
That's
So we're
true.
all together there. So everybody's seeing their own videos. That's kind of
That's good. This is the experience. આનંદદાયક છે પ્રસાદનો સરસ પ્રોગ્રેસ. Just I have made once or twice I think we did, huh? Last year.
Does he want to sit with? Is that the
Oh, you started with Gujarati?
Dana's Kripa.
Very good. It's very good because all knowledge here, whatever is spoken is majority in Gujarati language. So exact point to point you can understand only when you can learn Gujarati. In translation there is no direct impact. As translators kachara, garbage comes in that. This is a pure direct. Nice thing. तो कभी पद बन जाओ थोड़ी मजा नीचे मकसद. दादा माई अंतर में